Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are here, you're probably new to Salesforce and need a quick guide on how to log in for the first time, right? Don't worry, because I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating Salesforce like a pro. So let's begin. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is open up your browser and head over to the Salesforce login page. You can find it at login.salesforce.com. If your company, your client, your organization has provided you with a specific link, be sure to use that one instead. Now, of course, all you have to do is provide the username, your first and last name, and the password that was provided to you by your Salesforce administrator. But in this case, if you are just creating an account by yourself here in Salesforce, that's okay. All right, don't worry, because I got you. All I have to do is fill in as much as information as you can, and then of course you would receive an email for you to check, and that's going to be the activation link. Now, that activation link sent via email is again the same email that was provided to you from your company, your organization, or your team. All right. So after that, you might want to check your email address or the email that is associated with the Salesforce account that you have created, or is the one you're going to be using for your company or your organization. There's going to be a welcome emails such as this one. All right. Welcome to your free Salesforce CRM trial. All right. And there's going to be a small link button here wherein if you log in and pick one of the walkthroughs to learn how. But of course, all I have to do is click this button right here. If I click that, what would happen is I would be forwarded to the Salesforce Active Dashboard wherein I need to log in, obviously with my username and of course my password. All right. And of course, all I have to do is click the login button and it would forward you to your account successfully. All right. Just wait for it to load. And then there you go. Now, if in case you are having problems logging into your Salesforce account for the first time, I highly suggest you go to the Salesforce help. Click the get support, click confirm, and from here we need to create a case and tell the support staff that we're having problems or you are having problems logging into your Salesforce account. And one of them will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.